Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and on this episode I'm going to teach you how to make easy sugar cookies at home. Stay tuned, give me that like, share this video. Yes. Easy sugar cookies are very easy to make and quick with just a few ingredients. Come, let me show you what you need. You need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and 1 cup of softened butter. The first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven at 190 degrees Celsius. So we're going to cook the cookies for 10 minutes. So we're gonna put this at 190 degrees, 190. Yes, so we preheat. So as we prepare for like around 10 minutes, we can put our cookies there. The first thing we're going to do is beat our softened butter with sugar until it's soft. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to put our butter in. Okay. Just mix a bit. So it doesn't come pouring on your face. So you make sure you keep scraping the ends so that everything is incorporated. So you make sure you scrap the ends and then you continue. Just a bit, we put in just a bit of the shell, yeah, and then I just beat a bit. The next thing you're going to do is add our vanilla extract. There you go. So for flour, we're going to mix first with our baking powder and the baking soda. Just mix it a bit, and then to our last step, we're gonna gradually add our flour into the mixture bit by bit. So we're going to add that gradually. Add the last flour. Can see our butter is ready. Our cookie butter is ready. So what you need is a large baking sheet. Make sure you don't grease it up. Like this is okay. So we're going to use 1 teaspoon and then just roll it just like this, like a small ball, and then you place it on one side. We're gonna give it space each to give them room. I'm gonna do that. It's that easy, and you have the most perfect cookies. Going to put this in our oven, and we're going to let them bake for only 10 minutes, and you have your perfect sugar cookies ready. Yes. And these are ready to go in the oven. They're going to be there for only 10 minutes, and we have our awesome, amazing sugar cookies. Yes. We're going to put this up. Only 10 minutes. There you go. Oh wow, this looks amazing. They're so brown. They look so good. Wow. I'm gonna place this. Finally, our sugar perfect cookies are done. Look at that. It's so simple. You prepare in less than 5 minutes. You cook this in 10 minutes. It's good. Yeah, I'm gonna have a taste. I'm so excited. So crunchy. This will go well with milk if you have milk in the house, but look at that. So crunchy. So good. These are so amazing. Make sure you give me that like, subscribe down below, and maybe you'll join me to come and enjoy one of these amazing delicacies. I have some people waiting for me, amazing fans in the house. So subscribe, give me that like, share this video. That's it from me. Bye bye.